At Radisson Red Oslo City Center, sustainability isn't just behind the scenes, it's part of your stay. This is one of the world's first verified net zero hotels. Powered by 100% renewable energy, from Oslo's innovative district heating to renewable electricity, every moment here supports a cleaner future. Is it raining? Grab a drip-drop umbrella and help plant a tree every time you do. Together, guests around the world have helped plant over 1 million trees. In partnership with Clamato, our menus reduce recipe carbon footprints by up to 40% without compromising on taste. Each dish is rated from A to E based on its carbon emissions, so you can find climate-friendly choices across all our menus. We fight waste with smart tracking systems to ensure minimal food waste. And in your room, you don't find the normal amenities, but all the things you need are available just a click away with our Stay Concierge webpage, which can be found in all rooms. We use these digital tools to cut paper and unnecessary waste. We also partner with Clean the World to recycle the bottles and liquid leftover of the bathroom amenities dispensers. Staying at our hotel, sustainable living feels effortless. Enjoy your coffee in the comfort of your own room, knowing that we collect all coffee pods with Nespresso recycling. At Red, we make sustainable living part of the fun. Stay net zero while staying at Red.